at this. Whose name is it?
My name?
What does it say? Spell it.
Jiya. Jiya.
Gia. Cut the chart, G. You want to open and see what's inside?
Yeah. Give me the scissors. I'll open. Give me the scissors.
I will open.
I'll open.
Give me. I think that's for me. What's inside is for me.
That's for Gia. What do you think is inside?
I don't know.
Watch out the table. Can you guess what is inside?
I can't even.
What did you ask from Dida?
A doll.
What did you ask from Dada? A doll, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you think is inside then?
A doll.
You think a doll is inside?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. What is inside?
What is inside my doll? She can guess what is it. If you already know what it is.
I think it's your favorite doll. Who is this? Who is this, Gia?
Cinderella.
Cinderella? Do you like Cinderella?
But where's the doll of it?
The doll of it is inside.
Hey, I see the doll.
Looks like your papa's phone memory will finish today only.
Papa, I'm taking a video.
Whoa!
Yes.
What?
There's a card here. Oh my goodness. What does it say?
What?
Happy birthday Maharani from Dada. How nice is this? Huh? Happy birthday Maharani from Dada. And
Mommy, there are just dresses there.
there is a dress in there. Look at this. Oh my goodness, Cinderella dress.
It does like Cinderella.
How, Gia?
I also have a horsey, yay!
Cinderella in the carriage. Oh my God. You know what this is?
What?
A birthday card from Beam. Oh my goodness. Hello. My name is Beam. Look how beautiful it smells.
How
See? Beam Dada made a card for you.
did he do that?
You have to go and learn this from him, okay? It's beautiful. Look at that. Smells so good.
Can you smell the flower?
Smell. You say, Dida, Dada, Beam, Tutu, thank you. Say. Say on the phone.
But he's not.
He's making the video.
I'm making the video. We'll send the video to Dada. Say.
I don't know what to say.
Okay. Can you stop, Papa? We will do that other video, okay?
Okay.